Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Now, the example related to the first year class, just like example number 1 is, we have to solve x minus 5, x minus 7, x plus 6, x plus 4 is equal to 504. We learnt about the quadratic equation, but here there are 4 linear factors to be multiplied. When these factors are multiplied, the result will be not according to the quadratic equation, it will be the polynomial equation highest power 4. So, what is the condition to solve this problem? So, according to the nature, we will rearrange this equation according to their factors, just like as when we add pair of values, if the result is same, we will join those pairs who give the same result, like minus 5 and plus 4. The result is minus 1. Similarly, minus 7 and plus 6, the result is minus 1. I minus 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 1. Minus 7 plus 6 is equal to minus 1. So, we rearrange the factor solution x minus 5, x minus 7, x plus 6, x plus 4 is equal to 504. This equation can be written as rearranged as x minus 5 and x plus 4, x minus 7, x plus 6 is equal to 504. Now, we have to multiply these two factors jointly and these two factors together. So, this will be x into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus into plus minus 5 for the 20. Okay. Again, x into x, x square, x into 6 plus 6x, minus 7 into x, minus 7x, minus into plus minus 7 6 the 42 is equal to 504. Now, this will be x square minus x minus 20 and also x square minus x minus 42 is equal to 504. So, x square minus x, x square minus x, two terms of the expressions are same. So, also we can write this as x square minus x minus 20, and also this can be written as x square minus x minus 20 and minus 22 is equal to 504. Just like this is the A. Now, let y is equal to x square minus x minus 20. Now, the given equation can be written as, now the given equation can be written as x square minus x minus 20 is equal to y. So, this will be y into y minus 22 is equal to 504. So, this will be y into y square minus 22y minus 504 is equal to 0. So we will make the factors of 504. 2 to the 4, 1, 5 to the 10 and 2 to the again 2, 1, 2, 6, again 2, 6, 3, again 3, 2, 1, 3, 7. So the combination difference should be of minus 22. So this will be 3 3 the 9, 9 to the 18, 18 to the 36, 2 7 the 14. The difference of 36 and 14 is also 22. So we can write this one just like y square minus 36y, okay, y square minus 36y plus 14y minus 504 is equal to 0. Now the difference of minus 36 and 14 will be minus 22, and the multiplication of 36 minus and 14 will be 504. So combination, this will be y is common, y minus 36 plus 14 is common, y minus 36 is equal to 0. Y minus 36 is common, y plus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of y is equal to 36, the value of y is equal to minus 14. So this is the related value of y, but we need the value of x. So substitute the value of y to x. X square minus x minus 56 is equal to 0. So this will be x square minus 8x plus 7x minus 56 is equal to 0. So x square, now x is common, x minus 8 plus 7 is common, x minus 8 is equal to 0. So this will be x minus 8, x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 is equal to 0 and x plus 7 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 8 and x is equal to minus 7. Again, this will be x square minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2x minus 3 plus 2 minus x minus 2 3 is 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 3 plus 2 common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 is common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2. Now roots are, our solution is minus 2, 3, minus 7 and 8. This is the answer. MCQ is, if x minus 5, x minus 7, x plus 6 and x plus 4 is equal to 504, then what is the value of x? A is the option that x is equal to minus 2. B is the option that the value of x is equal to 3. C is the option that the root for x is equal to -7. D is the option root of x is equal to 8. E is the option the root. All of these are correct. Now, if we say that -2 is correct, then -2, -5, -7, -2, -9, -2, -7, -9, -2 plus 6, 4, -2 plus 4, 2. So result is minus into minus plus 9, 7 the 63 into 2, 4 the 8. The result is 3, 8 the 24, 6, 8 the 48 and 2, 50, 504 means 2 is correct. Now if we substitute x is equal to 3, then 3 minus 5 minus 2, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 3 plus 6 9, 3 plus 4 7, similarly minus plus 2 4 the 8, 7 9 the 63, similarly 8 3 the 24, 6 8 the 48 and 250, 504. This is also correct. Now, if we substitute x is equal to -7, -7 minus 5 means -12, -7 minus 7 means -14, -7 plus 6 means -1, -7 plus 4 means -3. So, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. 12 into 14 into 3. So, 12 3 the 36 into 14. 6 14 the 84. 3 14 the 42 and 8 50. So 540 is also correct answer. Now if x is equal to 8, so 8 minus 5 3, 8 minus 7 1, 8 plus 6 14, 8 plus 4 12. Same factors 3, 12, 14. After multiplication 504. So all of these are correct answers. Example, we have to solve x minus 2 upon x plus 2 plus x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to 34 upon 15. So these both terms are multiplicative, reciprocal to each other. Solution. So if we write, let y is equal to x minus 2 upon x plus 2. So it implies that here x plus 2 upon x minus 2, which is the reciprocal of x minus 2 and x plus 2, we will also write the value of reciprocal of y, which is 1 upon y. Now, the given equation can be written as, now the given equation can be written as y plus 1 upon y is equal to 34 upon 15. Y is the LCM. This will be y square plus 1 is equal to 34 upon 15. After cross multiplication, this will be 15 y square plus 1 is equal to 34 y. So this will be 15 y square minus 34 y plus 15 is equal to 0. So now multiplication of 15 into 15. 15 into 15 is equal to 225. So 34 is equal to 25 plus 9. So this will be, and 9 into 25 also 225. So this will be 15y square minus 25y minus 9y minus 15 is equal to 0. So this will be 5y common, 3y minus 5 minus 3 is common. Similarly 3y plus minus, here is the plus, minus 5. So now is equal to 0. 3y minus 5 is common. Five y minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 3y minus 5 is equal to 0 and 5y minus 3 also is equal to 0. The value of 5 is equal to 5 upon 3. Value of y is equal to 3 upon 5. So replace the value of y to x. Replace the value of y to x. Number 1, if y is equal to 5 upon 3, if y is equal to 5 upon 3, it implies that x minus 2 upon x plus 2 is equal to 5 upon 3. By cross multiplication में 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 5 into x plus 2. So this will be 3x minus 3 to the 6, 5x plus 10. So this will be minus 6 minus 10, 5x minus 3x. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 16 to 8. So x is equal to minus 8. Again, if y is equal to 3 upon 5, it implies that x minus 2 upon x plus 2 is equal to 3 upon 5. It implies that 5 into x minus 2 is equal to 3 into x plus 2. 5x minus 10, 3x plus 6. Similarly 5x minus 3x is equal to 16. 2x is equal to 16. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 8. So our solution set is 8 comma minus 8. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 8 comma minus 8. This is the answer. MCQ, if x minus 2 upon x plus 2, x plus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to 34 upon 15, then x is equal to what? A x is equal to minus 8, b, the value of x is equal to also plus 8, c, x is equal to a and b, both, d, none of these. Okay, now if we understand that x is equal to minus 8, so here there's minus 8 and minus 2, minus 10 upon minus 8 plus 2 means minus 6 plus minus 8 minus 6 minus 10. So minus minus cancel. This will be 5 upon 3. This will be 3 upon 5. 15 is the LCM. 3 5 the 15, 5 5 the 25 plus 5 3 the 15, 3 3 the 9. 25 and 9, 34 upon 15, which is also correct. So minus 8 is the correct. Now if x is equal to 8, 8 minus 2, 6 upon 8 plus 2, 10 plus 8 plus 2, 10 upon 8 minus 2, 6. Also this will be 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 3, 15 is the LCM. 3 3 the 9, 3 5 the 15, 25, 34 upon 15. So also 8 is the correct answer. C, A and B both are correct. Example, solve 4 into 2 power 2x plus 1 minus 9 into 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the question. Solution: 4 into 2 power 2x plus 1 minus 9 into 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can write this one just like 4 into 2 power 2x into 2 power 1 minus 9 into 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0. If here is a 2 power 1 means 2. 2 for the 8. So there will be 8 into 2 power 2x minus 9 into 2 power single x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let y is equal to 2 power x. It implies that 2 power 2x will be y square. Now the given equation can be written as Now the given equation can be written as 8y square minus 9y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be 8y square minus 8y minus 1y plus 1 is equal to 0. So 8y is common, y plus 1, y minus 1. Minus 1 is common, also y minus 1. So here y minus 1 is common. Eight y minus 1. So both factors are equal to 0, then y minus 1 is equal to 0. 8y minus 1 also is equal to 0. The value of y is equal to 1. The value of y is equal to 1 upon 8. Now these are the value related to the y. But our equation is according to the x. So replace the value of y replace the value of y to x. Number 1, if y is equal to 1, it implies that 2 power x is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 power x, 1 means 2 power 0. If bases are equal to each other, then power will also be equal to each other. It implies that x is equal to 0. Number 2, if y is equal to 1 upon 8, it implies that 2 power x is equal to 1 upon 8, or 2 power x is equal to 1 upon 2 cube. Also it implies that 2 power x is equal to 2 power minus 3. When we shifted 2 with respect to the numerator, its power will be converted to the negative sign. If 2 is equal to 2, then x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the value of x is equal to minus 3. So, the x is equal to 0 comma minus 3 is the answer. Okay. It's MCQ. If four into 2 power 2x plus 1 minus 9 into 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 0, then what should be the value of x? A is the condition. X is equal to 0 comma minus 3 or 0 comma 3b. X is equal to 0 comma 2 c. X is equal to 0 comma minus 2 d. X is equal to 0 comma minus 3. So these 4 are the options according to condition. If x is equal to 0, then we substitute here 0, 2 power 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 into 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. If x is equal to 0, 2 power 0, 1, 1 into 9 minus 9. So 8 plus 1, 9 minus 9, 0. So 0 is the correct answer. If 0 is the correct answer, then this 0, all options are correct with respect to 0. Suppose 3. If there are 3, so this will be 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 power 7 into 4, 2 power 3 into 9. This will be huge difference, means the subtraction cannot be equal to 0. So 3 cannot be the correct answer, means this option is not correct. If we consider 2, then 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5, 2 power 5, 32, 32 into 4, and 2 square 4, 4, 9, the 36. There are huge difference between this value and this value, so x cannot be equal to 2. If x is equal to minus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 4 plus 1, this will be 2 power minus 3. So 4 upon 2 power minus 3 minus 9 into 2 power minus 3 plus 1. If it is equal to 0, then minus 2 is the correct. So this will be 4 upon 8 minus 9 upon 8 plus 1. 8 is the LCM. 4 minus 9 plus 8. So 8 and 12. 12 minus 9. 3 upon 8 cannot be equal to 0. So this is also wrong. If x is equal to minus 3, then this will be 4 into 2 into minus 3, 6. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Minus 9 into 2 power minus 3 plus 1. If result is 0, then minus 3 is the correct. This will be 4 upon 2 power 5 minus 9 upon 2 power 3 plus 1 should be equal to 0. So this will be 4 upon 32 minus 9 upon 8 plus 1. Result is 32 is the LCM. 4 minus 36 plus 32. So 32 plus 4, 36. 36 minus 36, 0. So 0 comma minus 3 is the correct option. Again example is 2 power 2y plus 8 minus 2 power y plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. So these are the reciprocal equations. Solution: 2 power 2y plus 8 minus 2 power y plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can also write this equation 2 power 2y into 2 power 8 minus 2 power y into 2 power 5 plus 1 is equal to 0. This will be 2 power 8, 32 power 5, 6, 64, 7, 1, 28, 256. This will be 256 into 2 power 2y minus 32 into 2 power y plus 1 is equal to 0. So let 2 power y is equal to x. So also it implies that 2 power 2y will be x square. Now the given equation can be written as as 256 x square minus 32x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 256 into 1 means 256. When we break 32 into 16, then the result will also same. So this will be 256x square minus 16x minus also 16x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 16x common. Remaining is 16x minus 1. Minus 1 is common, also 16x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 16x minus 1 is common. The remaining also will be 16x minus 1 is equal to 0. So both factors are of the same kind. So we will choose any one kind of factor. So it implies that 16x minus 1 is equal to 0, 16x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 upon 16. So we have need the value of y. If x is equal to 16, 1 upon 16, it implies that 2 power y is equal to 1 upon 16. Therefore, 2 power y is equal to 1 upon 2 power 4, or 2 power y is equal to 2 power minus 4. If 2 is equal to 2, then value of y is equal to minus 4. Therefore, solution set is equal to minus 4. If this 2 power 2y plus 8 minus 2 power y plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? A. The value of y minus 2. B. The value of y minus 3. C. The value of y minus 4. D. The value of y, none of these, suppose. So if there is minus 2, minus 2 to the 4, 4 minus 4 plus 8, 2 power 4, 2 power 4 means 16, okay. Minus 2, 3, minus 2 power 3 means minus 8, plus 1, 16 plus 1, 17 minus 8, 19, which cannot be is equal to 0. So minus 2 is the wrong answer. Again, if it's minus 3, 2 minus 3, the minus 6, minus 6 plus 8 plus 2, 2 power 2. So minus 2 power minus 3 means 2 power 2 also, plus 1. 2 power 2, 2 power cancel, plus 1 is cannot be is equal to 0. This is also wrong answer. Next is, if y is equal to minus 4, then 2y means 2 into minus 4, minus 8 plus 8, 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means 1. Okay. Minus 4 plus 5 means 2 power 1. 2 power 1 means minus 2. Plus 1. So plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 4 is the correct option.